Racing is more than just a sport, it's a passion. It's the thrill of the chase, the adrenaline of speed, the joy of victory, and the lessons learned in defeat. Every driver knows the hours of preparation, the dedication needed, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. It's about pushing the limits, overcoming obstacles, and achieving greatness. eMotorsport Championship proudly presents to you the next exhilarating Wednesday night series. Introducing the Super Trofeo World Cup! Meet the 2018 Lamborghini Squadra Corse Huracan Super Trofeo Evo, a beast with 612 horsepower and a weight just of 2,923 pounds. This car is a masterpiece of engineering designed for one purpose: to dominate the track. Get ready for a 10-week series that will take you to some of the best tracks in the world, from legendary curves of Spa-Francorchamps to the high-speed straights of Sebring. Each race will test your skills and determination. Each week, drivers will face the challenge of racing under real-world weather conditions: rain or shine, fog or clear skies. You'll need to adapt your strategy and skills to whatever Mother Nature throws at you. Each race event begins with a free practice session to familiarize yourself with the track and the conditions. Then comes qualifying, where every second counts to secure the best starting position. Finally, it's race time, the main event. Feel the tension build as the lights go out. This is where champions are made. Chasing wins is more about crossing the finish line first. It's about the journey, the hard work, and the unyielding determination to be the best. This is your chance to shine, to prove yourself, and make your mark in eMotorsport Championship. Join us in the Super Trofeo World Cup and experience the thrill. Are you ready to take the challenge? The season starts August 14th, 2024, with registration opening August 2nd. Sign up to race at eMotorsport.org, and you can join our Discord community at discord.gg/eMotorsport. Hey there, thanks so much for watching. And if you like this trailer, make sure you check out some of the other ones we've done just like this in the past. If you're looking to get involved with eMotorsport Championship, all the links will be in the description below. Until next time, we'll see you on the track.